Hello, rail fans. Welcome to another episode of French Fried Trains. It's Tuesday, February 9th, 2021. We went out to Leo Street first thing in the morning, and we only waited about half an hour for the first train. A pair of SD-43s lead this train on a cold morning. Both originally built for the Seaboard Coastline in 1979. This was J782. We have a bunch of trains to get to in this video, so we'll be skipping around to save time. Here's an old Family Line system car. And here's some graffiti on a bulkhead flat car. And a graffitied up tank car near the end of the train. After he went by, it was about 25 minutes until the next train arrived, another northbound. Another train led by EMD Power, another pair of SD-40-3s, originally built for the Louisville and Nashville, one in 1979 and one in 1980. Awesome. 2 in a row with EMD Power makes for a great rail fanning morning. This was a steel train. Lots of uncovered steel coils heading north. Some of the coils are even in gondolas here. This was a good-sized train, and the coils just kept coming. And there's a fairly large cut of empty slab cars on the back of the train here. And about 3 solid minutes later, we get near the end of the slab car cut and the end of the train. And that was all the trains I got on that day. The next day, on Wednesday the 10th, we went back out, and we waited about an hour before the first train arrived. Three locomotives on this one. An SD-42, originally built for the Louisville and Nashville, followed by an SD-43 and an ES-40DC. This was J782 again, and it's rare for it to have more than 2 locomotives on. Since I've been rail fanning in the mornings lately, we catch this train a lot. An old Milwaukee road car here. And a single sodium hydroxide tanker. And we finally reach the end of the train. It was about another hour before we'd get any more action. An autorack train, northbound, led by a single ET-44AH. This guy would also end up having a second locomotive running as distributed power. Some interesting graffiti there. There's a whale on this one. And a little character painted on this one. And some more characters here. And here comes the end of the train with the second locomotive, an ES-44ACH. And there you could see a CSX work crew waiting for the train to pass. About a half an hour after this one passed, we got another train, this time a southbound. Just one locomotive on this train, an ES-44ACH. And these boxcars are open. Some white CSX gondolas mixed in here. And a gondola with racks for carrying pre-assembled switches. Some solid black covered hoppers here. And a cut of auto racks brings up the rear of the train. Well folks, that's all for this episode of French Fried Trains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.